Hi everyone, summer's in full swing, and what better way to beat the heat than with Frosé? So here are two simple versions for you to enjoy. Let's start with making our mango puree with one ripe mango. Just cut off the fruit from the skin and the seed and throw it in the blender. I also add a few pieces of lemongrass and some coconut milk, then puree it until smooth. You can make the purees ahead of time and leave them in the fridge for a few days, or freeze them and have them ready to go. Then just pass it through a fine mesh strainer to make sure that there's no chunks and it's nice and smooth. The finished puree should be nice and silky smooth like this. Now for the fun part, popping the cork on the Prosecco. Now let's add our mango puree to the blender, then half a bottle of Prosecco, and then nugget ice. All you nugget ice lovers out there, hit that like button. And here it is, the adult version of a mango slushy. Now let's make a frozen Bellini. For this you need a peach. Traditionally it's a white peach, but my yellow peaches were ripe, and cherries. Cut the meat off the peach from the skin and the pit, and cut the seed from the cherry. Puree it in a blender, then strain it to make sure that it's smooth. Now add some of the puree and half a bottle of Prosecco to the blender, then everybody's favorite ice, nugget ice. Puree for a few seconds and it's ready to go. Here it is, a frozen peach Bellini. It's like summer in a glass. Thanks for watching my video on how to make these two simple frozen summer cocktails. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite summer cocktail is. See you next time.